Hi students, welcome to the video lecture 2 of module 2 topic CAD and computer graphics software. In lecture 1 we saw the introduction of this particular topic CAD and computer graphics software, and we discussed about need for CAD system, and also we discussed in detail about design process given by the Shigley. So in today's lecture, we will be seeing application of computer in design, computer graphics and software configuration of graphics system. So application of computer in design, if you see these two steps, that is recognition of need and problem definition, here computer doesn't play any important role. The application of computer comes in these steps, that is synthesis, analysis and optimization, evaluation and presentation. So here for synthesis, the geometric modeling is prepared using the computer, and whatever the analysis and optimization is done, it is done through the software available in the market. Next, evaluation is also done in the computers only. If you see whatever the lab you are having now, modeling and analysis lab, those two softwares is being used, those softwares are used to do the analysis. In the next semester you have another lab wherein you will learn the simulation, how the product has to be manufactured, and you can see the simulations how the process is being taken care. So this comes under the design review and evaluation. That package is called as CAM software. Finally, the presentation is done through the automated drafting. Now let us see one by one. So geometric modeling. In CAD, geometric modeling refers to the creation of geometry of an object which is nothing but the computer compatible mathematical description. This mathematical description helps in displaying the images of the object created and manipulated on graphic terminal by various software command executed through CPU and input device. In geometric modeling, the designer creates the graphical image of the required object on the CRT screen, that is nothing but the monitor of the ICG system, by inputting three kinds of commands to the computer. So now let us see what are those commands. First type of command generates basic geometric elements like point, lines, curves, etc. Second type of command is used to perform transformations like scaling, modifying, moving, rotation, etc. So this is mainly a editing command. Third type of command used to join various elements create to obtain desired shape of the product. We can say it as an assembly operation. The created geometric modeling can be stored, retrieved, analyzed and modified. So these are the main advantages, dear friends. It can be stored and retrieved whenever and when and then required, and it can be analyzed again, and if there is any changes it allows to get modified. There are three basic features of geometric modeling. There are wireframe modeling, surface modeling and solid modeling. As the name itself indicates, wireframe modeling is the basic form of geometric modeling. In this, wireframes are used to represent an object. The object is displayed by interconnecting lines. It consists of point, lines and curves. A sample of wireframe model is being showed. Here surface will not get displayed, only you will get the outline. Surface modeling. In this, object is represented with surfaces, but object will not have any mass or volume. So example of surface modeling is being showed here, how it looks like. Solid modeling. Here the object will occupy volume. This feature uses the solid geometry shape called primitive to construct object. Here the object will occupy volume. So here it doesn't occupy volume, here it occupies volume. Okay. The next step is engineering analysis. How in engineering analysis the computer is being used, we will be seeing here. Analysis may be stress strain calculation, heat transfer, computation, dynamic analysis, thermal structure analysis, etc. Two different types of analysis. Analysis of mass properties, finite element analysis. So what is this analysis of mass properties? We'll see. It provides difference property of a solid model like surface area, weight, volume and center of gravity, etc. So if you analyze in the computer for this data, so the computer will does the necessary calculations and it will provide the data which is being used in the manufacturing of the product. Finite element analysis. So here what happens, the model is divided into large number of finite elements, then these elements are analyzed for different properties at each node and finally for the full part. Different packages are ANSYS, Nastran, Cosmos, Fluent, Hypermesh, etc. So using this package or software we can do the finite element analysis. Design, review and evaluation. Accuracy of the design can be checked conveniently on the graphics terminal with the help of dimensioning and tolerancing routines built within the systems. So whatever the dimensioning and tolerance routines are there, it has been checked in the computer itself and the computer will generate the results for the comparison. Design, review and evaluation techniques. What are the techniques used is layering, interference checking and kinematics checking. In layering, the final image of the product can be compared with the starting raw materials. The procedure can be followed in each stages. So this layering procedure is followed in each stages. Interference checking, to find out if any parts are intersecting with each other in an assembly model has been checked. Kinematics, design can be reviewed and evaluated by animating the motions of simple designed mechanism. Software for kinematics is ADAMS, that is automatic dynamic analysis of mechanical system. So whether the product manufacturer performs well, the movement is been taking place or no, that is prescribed movement. If not, it will be modified. Finally, it is nothing but automated drafting. It is a process of creating hard copies of engineering drawing using a geometric model. It helps to generate different orthographic and sectional views from a solid model. In addition to 2D engineering drawing, it also provides bill of material, part list, specification, cost and any other data required for production of the product. So now let us see what is computer graphics. The graphics software is a collection of computer programs through which the user can send his commands to the computer to make it operate. The program includes set of instructions in a manner that the hardware understands so as to perform generate drawings on the display screen, that is monitor. What are those are? To manipulate images, create data, produce output, stores on hard disk drive, transfer file from one computer to other, storage device, etc. The software configuration of graphics system are, in a graphics system, a number of functions are performed which can be grouped under three main categories. There are to interact with the graphic display unit and to use to create and edit images. So we can interact with the software, that's what they are specifying here. To construct a physical model using the designed image, such model are called application model. To store the model in the secondary storage units for further operations. So these are the three main functions of the graphic system. A graphics software for CAD system can be divided into three basic models: graphic module, application database. So now let us see what are those things. So your model of graphic software configuration is shown. So application database, application program, graphics software package, graphics terminal and input device. From input device it goes to graphics terminal, and if you see, these are interactive process. Okay, interactive process. So each data will be shared through all these 4 department. Now let us see one by one. The graphic module is the software between the user and the graphics display unit. It performs the graphical interaction between the user and the CAD system. It also function as the interface between the user and the application software. Application module. The application program is run by the user to create a physical model with the help of graphics terminal and input device. Each application program is written for a particular problem area, like for design of mechanical components, electronics, aerospace, etc. In each area, the application software is developed to deal with the images and conventions relevant for that particular field. So based on the applications, you can use the software where you will be having the set of options in the software itself, where you can interact with the software and you can get the work done. Application database. It consists of a mathematical, numerical and logical definition of the application models, like that of mechanical parts, aircraft, automobile, etc. It also includes other alphanumeric database associated with. The created models such as bill of material, physical properties, etc. The database is uploaded as and when the user modifies the created images. This is a very important advantage, dear friends, using the computer. The database is updated as and when the user modifies the created images. As and when he modifies, it gets updated in the server. The database contents can be displayed on screen and an odd copy print can be taken for reference and for any further discussion. Okay. So with this, I conclude this topic. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.